So what's the difference between a Bulgarian split squat and a regular split squat? Split squats can be done on the floor, and usually when you do a split squat, you get limited by how low you can go because your knee will eventually hit the floor. And if you're more advanced, you probably want a deeper range of motion, or you want to get a deeper stretch. The solution is simply by doing what we call a Bulgarian split squat. I'm going to get into the position that I am in my split squat, but simply have my foot now elevated on a platform. Now, it's actually a lot harder than it looks. A lot of times people spend quite a while just getting their foot set up, but I'm just going to quickly show what the exercise looks like, and then I'll help you with the setup afterwards, okay? So usually, you're going to get a nice big stride. You want your hips squared, everything's facing forward. You're going to hinge your hips, bend your knees, and you're going to kind of sit back into the void between your knee and this heel. When you come up, you push through the ground, straighten out the leg, and you get the same kind of benefits of a split squat, but now with a deeper range of motion. So we're looking at more muscle activation, deeper stretch, right? Just like so. Now, the movement itself is relatively simple. The setup is quite hard. People have a hard time bringing their foot there. Some people will end up just kind of putting their feet, they go down, and they'll end up being too close or whatever. I have kind of like one solution towards it, but you kind of have to play around with it based off your own anatomy. Of course, if you're much taller than me, things will differ, right? So I'm gonna have my hands on this block, and I'm gonna put the leg that I want to do the lunge on, the split squat on, in front of me. I'm gonna take my hips off of the platform, and I'm gonna go into like this sprinter stance. I'm gonna lift this leg up, and I'm gonna set it onto the box where the bend of my ankle is there. I can sit on back, and I'm in the perfect Bulgarian split squat position. Okay, challenging exercise, but very, very good for your health, for your hips and your knees and your lower back. Highly recommend you try it. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.